This story is not a love story, but it's a story about balls. Whose balls, you ask? Well, let's find out, shall we?
And yeah, it's okay, but it's a bit like everyone else would be doing that. So why not just have a look at changing that up a little bit to this, like yeah, yeah. Just lift the energy a little bit. If you can try that for me.
Yeah. Yo, it's a bit difficult. I told myself not to get a bit of gin and tonic yesterday in the evening, bro, but yeah.
Hello? Oh. What? Okay. Yeah, no, yeah, I'll be there. Don't worry, I'll come. Alright, so let's go. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye bye.
What really happened?
I can't believe you called him.
Well, no choice, man. She had to be done.
They were waiting for us.
I think it was a setup.
Fuck.
I think we gotta get rid of it.
Yeah, I'm sorry, my battery died. I've just got your message now. Apologise for that. Don't talk. So yeah, no, I actually was going to tell you, I've had that thing going on with my ball sack. I've had a rash and all that. I found the doctor today and I said to him, what do you think? I pulled my pants down. He fucking ignored me. I think he said to me, do you mind? I've been Checkers shopping. Which I thought was a bit unreasonable. But anyway, listen, I'm going to have to be back. What's the dead man doing here? What's wrong with you guys? What happened?
It's not that bad.
Stop talking. Don't fucking talk. Okay, he's not leaving here, so look. We're not like that anyway. So quick. This is going to make too much mess. Okay, hang on. These are too expensive to waste on him, so let's just look at the instructions. I should get this right, okay? Just fucking pick it up, use it. When we're finished and you've got him done, then we'll put him in small display pieces, put him in here. I'll take him down to the flats. Please don't mess this up, just let me know when it's done. Okay, thank you. Sorry about that. I just had to sort out some issues.
Are we doing this?